This is 186, and we took the oil pan, and the steady stream that you see there is coolant leaking from cylinder number 6. So liner number 6 is leaking coolant pretty badly. There's the coolant dripping from the liner number 6 into the pig mat. And the oil pan is taken out, so you can see the connecting rods and crankshaft. And also the oil pan itself is pretty milky inside, very gray instead of dark black, which indicates mixture of coolant and oil. Thank you, Nicholas. By the way, this was diagnosed by Mick the Greek. How do you say hello in Greek?
They got us.
They got us. Oh, okay. Whatever that means.